everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into time setting in automation rules. So, glad you see, hit that like button and let's get started. Time setting in automation rules. Bitrix24 automation rules have settings that define the operational conditions. We have added settings to set the time for automation rule. Set the exact time for the automation rule work. You can specify the exact time when the automation rule will perform an action in the time field. For that, go to Automation Rule. Click on where you want to set the time automation rule. For suppose I am taking a new state, this add notification. Click on Edit. Here we have time. When we click on this, we have exact three options available. First one is exact time after the event, before the event. Move the item to the stage with the automation rule. If you move it later than the time specified in the automation rule, it will work immediately. Automation rules can perform an action with a delay of several minutes if several automation rules are running at a time. How to fill time in element field with an automation rule? There are automation rules that fill in the fields or change their value. If someone change the value, then we can add after changing the field value, we have certain time the automation rule should be worked. For example, I am taking this notification. After running modification item, this notification will be appear after 30 minutes to manager or supervisor or responsible person, whatever. I'm clicking on this and selecting this option. We have minutes, hour, days. I'm putting minutes, 30 minutes. After the, here we have several options according to date. I'm putting current time. We will specify the exact time of the activity in the time field. So we can add like this. According to these options, when created on, I'm putting created on time. I'm putting OK. I'm saving this one. So my automation rules after this, it will work after 30 minutes. Like that, the time setting automation rule will work. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.